Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how we can use number information to get answers to problems that involve the same numbers but with adjustments to the size, either by multiplying or dividing by 10 or powers of 10. So if we know that 322 times 48 is 154, so 15,456, then we know that the numbers 15456 will be in the answers for the next two questions, because then the same numbers appear, just the decimal point has been moved. Now some teachers will show you a method of adjusting the decimals, but I use a different method that I think is simpler. I look at this number here and say basically we're doing 3 times 5. So 3 times 5 is 15. I know the numbers 15456 are going to be in the answer, and if 3 times 5, if this is roughly 15, it's got to be there. Okay, and to me that is a simple way of doing that problem. Okay, so let's try that on this one. It's a bit harder. We know we've got the 15456 in the answer. So I've got 0.3 here, and I've got a half here. Okay, 0.48, a half. So I'm doing 0.3 of a half. So that's going to be a number that's between 0, so it's going to be it's 0.3 of a half. Let's say it's 0.3 of 0.5. So 0.3 times 0.5 is going to be about 0.15, and we've got 15456, so it's going to be 0.15. On to the last one. What they've done with this one is they've rearranged the top and then they've adjusted the decimal point. So if we take our top and let's just rearrange that, if we know that 322 times 48 equals 15456, then we know that 322 equals 15456 divided by 48. Now we're dividing by 4.8. Okay, so that's 10 times smaller than 48. So that's going to go in 10 times more than it did previously because it's 10 times smaller. So we're going to have to multiply 322 by 10. Again, you can check. You're doing 15,000 basically divided by 5. And 5 into 15,000 is going to go about 3,000 times, which is what we've got. 5 times 3,000, 15,000. So that's using really estimating as the way of making the adjustments, as opposed to what can be complicated sometimes in shifting decimal points. I hope that's helped.